everyone, welcome to Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. We'll see whether we can get some good expiry structure on Nifty Bank Nifty. Now, as we see, yesterday it gave a good breakout as per our analysis. After making a low, it did go higher. And today also, after opening gap up, trying to go back up to the top, selling comes in. So one thing is very much clear that yes, the high of today, which is made by Nifty, will be very, very critical. And if it jumps above this high, it can go even further on the higher side. So one thing which is very important, let's put the horizontal trend line over here. This is very, very important zone. And if it breaks this zone, that is today's high, and sustains on the higher side, it can go all the way towards 17,200 for today's expiry. Seems to be very, very positive as of now. We'll see the option data. So if I try to see the technical data, yes, there is max call OI around 17,200. So very likely for him to hit to 17,200. But we'll try to see on the smaller time frame and dynamic OI whether it can reach to those levels or not. If I try to see on smaller time frame, it did try to go up. Large selling came around 17,100, came back down. Again, we can see here kind of breaking the low and then sharp buying again coming in. So this clearly tells that the buyers here, the dotted line clearly tells that buyers were there trying to push the price up. Obviously, it has gone up very, very fast. It might take some rest now at the higher side. Now, this will be a tricky situation today because if it has gone up and if it sustains on the higher side, okay, if it sustains over here on the higher side, then it can break over here for an upside move. So it can give you a trend line breakout on the upside move. But if it does not sustain on the higher side, and we have to check whether the OI is also there or not, it can come back down to day's low. Okay, so it is a 50-50 chance of upside and downside, but I will go for upside only if there are two important conditions which are met. First thing, let's see if OI is there or not at the bottom to give him support around this 17,000, 17,050 or so. So let's take the dynamic OI first to understand if there is some kind of good OI present for Nifty. So we see the out of the money, we can clearly understand, okay, 17,100, 17,050, 17,000. So a lot of OI is there at 17,000, 17,050. So that clearly tells me, yes, good buying strength is there at the bottom end. If I see in the last 2 hours, again, it is very, very clear 30,000 is good amount of OI getting built at lower end, and there is no big, huge resistance at the higher side. There is some bit at 150 or so, but that's also decent. And here people are going out, and here people are coming in at 1750 over here. So I would suggest 1750 to 1700, 17,000, sorry, 17,000 and 17,050, this zone from where huge buying has come, and the option data already suggests the buying structure is very, very strong. So this is very, very good news that yes, downside might get limited in Nifty. So that's one point. Second, now how should I take the breakout trade on the upside? We are very clear. We want a breakout trade only if something like this happens, like exactly what happened yesterday also. So if you actually see, we had told you this is what we are looking out for. Goes to the high, selling comes in, tries to come back, sustains above the trend line, sharp selling, 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 and then it comes back, relates, and then fires on the upside. So similar structure can happen today because downside OI is at least there. That is one thing. Second, if it sustains over here, okay, along the trend line, then obviously we can take the buy trade for the upside move. Now, if it breaks this, okay, which is very, very important, if it is not likely, but if it breaks, then downside can fill the gap. Okay, so we cannot rule that out as well. But as of now, things are looking for an upside breakout rather than downside. But we'll wait for a structure and not hurry in taking the trade. So that is the idea about Nifty. 17,100. Today's high needs to be taken out. Rise towards at least 60-70 points on the upside. Even from here, 17,060 can go to 17,160. So 100 points of rise is quite possible in Nifty. The second point over here is on Bank Nifty. Let's see whether Bank Nifty will also support for upside move or not, will be very, very critical. 1 minute. Well, now we see the Bank Nifty, and in Bank Nifty also the prices did go down, try to sustain at the 2-day high, and then trying to now move on the upside. So sharp rise in Bank Nifty, that is basically providing some good support on Nifty as well. Now we need to check whether Bank Nifty can fire more on the upside or not, because this can become a dampener on Nifty if Bank Nifty goes down. Ideally, it has even crossed its morning high, which is not happened in Nifty. Now, if I try to see any important zone or level for Bank Nifty, there is no important resistance on the higher side from option data, but there is a gap zone which is there more or less over here on the higher side. So one thing is important, that 35,530 to 35,700 zone or 600 zone. This zone is very, very critical for Bank Nifty on the upside. Now, if Bank Nifty rises fast and enters into this zone, which is 35,500 to 35,600, 650 kind of zone, we would like to look for sell agenda. So we're looking for buy on Nifty, but now seeing this where it has crossed the high trying to go up, we will try to go for sell on Bank Nifty only at the top, not now. We'll also see from the option data what does it suggest. So there has been a sharp rise in Bank Nifty, and if I see the option data, if there is a huge OI built up at the higher side or not, if yes, then it can become a very good sell formation. So right over here we can see 35,500 has good amount of resistance, 500 and little bit of 600. Okay, but a lot of support is there at 100, 200, 300. So that's why we can clearly see a big move happening in Bank Nifty. 35,500 to 600, there is some bit of resistance. If I see on smaller time frame, 2 hours, 600 seems to be much better, and even over here 600 is better. So 600 will be the zone from where selling can come through, and this is exactly matching with our gap fill up resistance zone as well. So we can just put this over here where resistance zone can be quite likely. So 550 to 650 is the good resistance zone, 35,550 to 650, waiting out for another round of up move. And now the good part over here would be to look for a good reversal of trend to take place, because the prices are zooming high. So that's also good for us. And we wait out for our structure to get formed right at the top. Okay. And if it gets into the making, then we are interested to go for the sell trade. Okay. So that's the idea over here. Bank Nifty, if it goes sharply higher now itself, then we start looking for sell on Bank Nifty, catching the good reversal at the top, or in Nifty, if the Bank Nifty goes sideways over here and then it resumes, which can also happen over here. If you see that when we are trying to catch Bank Nifty, if it comes back down, okay, and then again, maybe in the afternoon, it can resume on the higher side. So that will give us a good trade on Nifty for a trend breakout. So depending on what Bank Nifty will do, you have to take the trade on Nifty. But if you want to trade sell on Bank Nifty, I would suggest you only in the higher zone to look for the sell. Otherwise, we are trying to look for the breakout on Nifty, provided that Bank Nifty goes sideways and then provides supports to Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty will be the driver for Nifty today. And there has been an extended move which has happened today morning itself. So if it relaxes over here and then it gives a good breakout, you can go for buy on Bank Nifty, even in Nifty. So any of those cases. But if it resumes, another round of higher move takes place, then you can look for selling mandate at the higher zone for Bank Nifty. So that's it for today. Expiry. I am looking out for breakout on Nifty, provided that it comes down similar to what happened yesterday, a clean breakout. But yes, Bank Nifty should also provide support. But if Bank Nifty has already moved much higher, then I would highly recommend you to look for selling on Bank Nifty. So much on the selling side for Bank Nifty, provided that if you want to take a buy trade, the trend breakout should happen. It should come back down, relax, and then trend breakout takes place. So you can take trade both on Nifty and Bank Nifty for buy side. So only in that case, we can look for a good trend breakout on the upside for this expiry. Thank you very much for watching. Let's connect again tomorrow.